Hi guys, today we will do a small experiment on silica gel. You have noticed this type of silica gel in your shoe box or a wallet or a medicine box. So this is very strange. It is actually for the moisture. When it is in a leather bag or something, it doesn't let the bag get fungus. So I have in this spoon there is a few drops of water. And let me tell you one more thing. The special part is that, yeah, blue color. If it is blue color, that means it is in very good condition. So I have put one. We'll put some more because I have taken some more water, and this will actually drink all the water. It will absorb all the water in him. The more it is blue, it is good. But as soon as it gets in water, it turns the color into white. You can see it's blue. Not much blue because this is not the new one. I have made one more video in the same channel where you can see the blue color how it is recharged. You can recharge this. Even me, I will try if I can recharge this. See, the water is disappeared already. There is no more water in there. But I will put one more packet because I have them. So let's see. See, there is no more water in this. But one more thing, if you have a silica gel, you can also check this. This becomes warm. If you touch, you can feel that it is a bit warm. So we'll put in on fire and see how it works. You can see the white color silica gel is turning into blue. I feel you can see this. There was more of water, but still I will show you that it will change the color. Not much because already I have added too much of water in this. So maybe it will take a long time, or it might not be also, but still we will try our best. I'll just take something so that I can just evaporate or do something for the water. Yeah, the moment the water is getting evaporate, it is changing the color into blue. You can see it's changing the color, but I will not make full. Let's see how long I can handle this. You can see it's changing the color and the water is getting disappeared. And this actually you can reuse this. You can put it in a packet or a tissue paper and you can use it. But see that you don't eat it, because it's same like a poison, because whenever you eat this it gets heat. So it is recommended that you should not eat this. You can see the color, it's changing. So I'll switch off my gas. This video is only for the education purpose. So this is the use of silica gel. It absorbs all the moisture from all the electronic products or medicines or whatever it is. It doesn't allow it to get spoiled very soon. and this is how you can recharge the silica gel. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.